50 grind. Okay. It's a grind. It's pretty much, you get your board, you go up on your foot like that, and you start grinding. And then you just go back down. That's pretty much what it is. So there's 3 parts to a 50 grind.
The ride up, the stall or grind, and there's getting out.
So when you're doing a 50 grind, you obviously want to go up, grind, come back down. So when you're first starting, you don't want to get full-on grinds like this. That's going to be hard. So you just want to start with a nice stall, but that can be kind of sketch. So what I started to do when I learned the 50 is you just go up a little bit on the ramp and then just kind of practice the motion right here. I'll show you what that looks like. So what you can do is you practice stalling, and you want to just get closer and closer to the coping. So my secret of how to do it is you really gotta pump into it. You gotta pump. Yes, sir. So you get up to the top, and instead of just trying to turn, you're not really gonna make it. So you kind of just gotta lift yourself up and just let the board up there by itself. It's kind of just like making yourself feel lighter. You really want to go up, pump, and then stall. So a lot of people are wondering, service. Okay, so a lot of people are wondering, once you start working your way up and you start touching the coping, and you see people like 50, they're like getting up to here, but you're getting up to right here. So what you gotta do, it is pretty sketch, but it helps a lot. You gotta lean back as soon as you get on the coping. Not lean back, that's leaning back, because when you lean back, the board will follow your feet. It's not sketch once you do it once. It's really not sketch. It's just all mental. And here's another step. I see a lot of people try this. Your front trucks don't go on first. Okay, it's kind of like a kick turn. It's really how you turn. Going up, and you turn. Some people, they think the front trucks go on first, and they go into a lazy kind of thing. What do you do once you're on the coping? Well, what you have to do is 50 dropping. So you're going to need to learn how to do that, but for me, when I was learning, it was actually easier to learn it in a 50 instead of by itself. It just felt more natural. So what you want to do is your front truck doesn't really matter that much because it's pretty much all in the back truck. So your back truck has to be closer, so the wheel back here is as farthest that way as it can get, or else it might get caught up. So 50 dropping in like this. So pretty much that's almost all the tricks. So you gotta make sure you pump in, stall up here, not down here. Sometimes you try to do that, but you gotta try to be up here, and then like that, drop back in. And from there, it's just like dropping in like normal. You just gotta stay forward, and you just ride the rest of the ramp. So that's pretty much it for 50 grinds on a quarter pipe. And
Obviously, you don't want to start on something this size. You want to start on a little small quarter pipe and then work your way up to bigger and bigger ramps. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for today, boys.